Welcome back, dear students, in your science class. Today we will discuss about conservation of biodiversity. First of all, understand what do you mean by flora and fauna. All the different kinds of plants living in their natural surroundings are called flora of that place. And all the different kinds of animals living in their natural surroundings are called fauna of that place. Together, flora and fauna of a place form the biodiversity of that place. For example, the flora of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve are sal, teak, mango, jamun, silver ferns, arjun, etc. The fauna of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve are chinkara, blue bull, barking deer, wild dog, etc. All the components of the environment are interdependent. Any change in one component may affect all the components. So, the first step to protect our biodiversity is to conserve it. Conservation of biodiversity means the careful management of species of plants and animals and their preservation in order to protect them from extinction. For this purpose, these species have been put into different categories by the Red Data Book, the book that keeps a record of all endangered animals, plants and other species is called Red Data Book. This book is published by the IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, now known as the World Conservation Union, that is WCU. It is an international body to study and assess the global conservation status of plant and animal species. In this book, all the species are classified into 9 groups. First, extinct. Second, extinct in the wild. Third, critically endangered. Fourth, endangered. Fifth, vulnerable. Sixth, near threatened. Seventh, least concern. Eighth, data deficient. Ninth, not evaluated. Now let us study more about some of these species. First, extinct species. Species which do not exist on the earth now are called extinct species. Dodo and dinosaur, which existed long ago, are now extinct. Nilgiri, holly and crypancy are plants from India that have become extinct recently. Second, endangered species. Species that are at a high risk of getting extinct in near future due to decline in their number and drastic change in habitat are called endangered species. For example, Asian elephant, forest owlet, golden langur, blue whale, Asiatic lion, green turtle and Ganga river dolphin are some endangered species. White cedar, Bermuda palm and some orchids are endangered plant species.